Hello everyone. So in last lecture we have completed the step maintain company codes for material management. In this lecture we'll see how to define the industry sector. So to define the industry sector we have the T code OMS3. Industry sector is nothing but the industry type of industry where we are implementing the SAP. For example, SAP already provided the standard industry sector. For A is for the plant engineering and construction, C is for chemical industry, M is for mechanical engineering, P is for pharmaceuticals. So this kind of standard industry sector already provided by SAP. But if in case if you want to create new industry sector as per the requirement while implementing the SAP, in that case how we can define that industry sector, that we'll see in this session. So to define the new industry sector, we'll go to the SPRO, then click on SAP reference IMG, go to Logistic General. In Logistic General, go to Material Master. In Material Master, go to Field Selection and then click on Define Industry Sector and Industry Sector Specific Field Selection. If you click here, you will see all the standard or available industry sector which are provided by SAP or defined already in the SAP by some consultant. But if you want to create new industry sector, just click on new entry. Here you can provide the name. For example, I am providing six. Then industry specific industry sector description you can provide here. Just for practice, I am providing here mechanical industries, and here field reference you can provide 0001. Click on enter and you can save the industry sector in your respective tier. This is how if you want to create new industry sector in the SAP, you can create the new industry sector. It is always recommended to use the standard industry sector which are provided by the SAP system. If your requirement is not fulfilling with that standard industry sector, then you can create the new one. Where we can use this industry sector, that also I can tell. If you want to create new material in the SAP system, then on the initial screen only you need to select the industry sector. So whichever we define, for example, we defined right now industry sector as mechanical industries. This one we defined. So in the drop down, you will see that industry sector, whichever you have just now defined. So this way we can define the industry sector, which is a part of material master data configuration as a second step. Thank you.